Welcome everyone. First of all, Happy New Year to everybody. 2022. Wish you everyone a very happy New Year. Now, ladies and gentlemen, without wasting your time, let's get started. So, this video is about introduction of trend checker. What is trend checker? This is indicator that I have created and I am trading based on those indicators since last 1 year, and I have received a success in trading that is beyond imagination. Now, with crypto and with stocks, these are very confusing times because it's not going in any direction. If you see, since last many days, it's ranging from 45,000 to low to high at 52 is 51, 52. Now, majority of time, every trader mostly lose. They lose because they do not know what they are doing. They blindly follow the YouTubers, and mostly YouTubers are saying Bitcoin to 100k, 200k, those crazy amounts. 100k by December 2020, 100k by December 2021. Man, where are we? Not even 100k, not even 50k. So, how do you trade something that has no direction overall? Because it goes up, it goes down. And mind you, no stock or no asset or no crypto will go straight up or straight down. It will always go in cycles like that. Even if it's going down, it will go down like this. It will never be like this. No. Now, trend checker, as the name suggests, help you understand what is the current trend is, what is the current market is. Oh man, I need to remove those drawings. Okay, now when you get trend checker indicator, it will be on your invite only scripts. If it does not show there, let us know. It is zero like, because as I told before, I am just starting and this is the very first video. Now, everything is new for me as well, like you, and I promise that you will learn many things in our future videos. Also, let's check what are those indicators about. Now, first of all, I am not going to teach how technical analysis work. For me, I believe technical analysis does not work at all. Yes, it does not work. By technical analysis, I mean the patterns, and patterns like head and shoulders, bull flag, bear flag, and Mario patterns and whatnot. Those are not working. Why? And now, if you are a trader and if you are trading based on those patterns, it's all good. If it's working for you, it's all good. But in traders community, majority, if you are old and trading, you know that the patterns are not working. It does not work because trading does not, it's not based on this pattern. Everything is psychological. Trading, the concept itself is psychological. Now, when you get trend checker, as I told before, you can get it from invite only. Click on both of them, so it will show up here like this, like that. Give it time to load. Now, you can use any chart candles, but I prefer Heikenesse candles most of the time because it clears out majority noise. Now, there are a lot of things to take in, my friends. I know there is so many things to understand. I will go through one by one, and these information are not time sensitive, so you can take out a note and pen, write it down. It will work today, it will work tomorrow, after 3 months, after 3 years, for eternity, because the concept behind the trend checker indicator is market maker methods. Now, you might don't know about market makers, but they exist. They do exist in market. Most of the people don't know, but people who are in exchange business know that market makers are there, and these markets are rigged, totally rigged. There is no bear and bulls, my friends. They are market makers. They decide what will happen, and they are with unlimited bunch of money that can hold their shorts and longs at any particular move. So most of the time when price goes up fast, these are wrong moves, because suddenly they will drop the price below the previous candle, and now you are in long, and if you are using leverage, God save you. So with trend checker, as the name suggests, it will give you the clear idea of the trends that you are currently in. Let's check with first trend checker A. So with trend checker A, what you see is, first you see is the green and red line. These are color coded 200 EMFs. If price is above the EMA, it will be a green color. If price is below the EMA, it will be red. Now, these zones, these red and green zones are markup and markdown phase. Essentially, the big fat thick wave, this line is 50 MA. So now, whenever price broke above 50, the indicator will print a buy signal, and then when price drops below 50, it will print sell signal. Easy, but when trend checker A clears out what trend you are in, without it, if you see, you don't know what's going on. If you see a bar candle chart, can you say in what direction the price is going? No, you can't. Oh my god, it's very headache. Now, trend checker A, we have seen this 200 EMA line, this 50 EMA line, buy and sell signals. Now, these yellow diamonds, those are diamonds will print when it detects when average volume is higher than previous volume. It's kind of ATR, average true range. When the volume spikes all of a sudden, it means market makers are trying to send price to a certain level. That means that move will be stronger. So when a diamond prints, you know that there are some manipulations are being done by market makers. And now you can use any time frames with this indicator, and it all works with any time frames. It can work with 1 minute, also work with 1 second, also work with daily, also work with weekly, and whatnot. Higher the time frame, higher the confidence. Now, trend checker B. When you open up trend checker B, you see oscillators, blue and purple. Those are heavily modified QQE oscillators. Whenever the QQE oscillators and RSI oscillators, not RSI but RSI oscillators, cross over above or below, it will print a red or green dot like this. Now, if move is stronger, we are likely to go above the 25 line. Whenever we have cross above the 25 line, we get this big red dots above the oscillators. As same as above, when we get crossovers below the minus 25 lines we get green big red dots like this. Like this. These red and green waves are modified volume flow index. You might know it as MFI, money flow index. Trend checker B will print out bullish or bearish, real or hidden divergence whenever they are divergences. If it's a bullish divergence, it will be like a green line below the zero line, like this, suggesting there are bullish real divergence. And when there are bearish divergence, you know with these red lines. It clears out noise, it gives you proper direction, it gives you the real trend. So the name suggests trend checker. Now the strategy behind this indicator or how to use it is very simple. It's very simple. Let's say there is a sell signal on 2 hours. That's what printed on 28 December. With 2 yellow diamonds. Now you know yellow diamond suggests market maker move. So it tends to go stronger in the direction it was going. So what is the direction? Down, because we have sell signal. Now you need to wait and confirm to print the signal, and on next candle you make your move. Generally the idea is when QQE oscillators print a red dot and at the same time you have a sell signal and volume is going down from green to red, you put a short. And whenever you feel like on this move, you can take out profit. Also, indicator will suggest if you are in long or short where you can take profits. So this arrows, this suggests that if you are in a short, you should take profit now. Or if you are in a long but you are riding the short, you can add your position, you can average your position here or build your longs in this area, because whenever we get buy signal your entry will be average. Now it's been a time. We are soon launching our website. Also, the indicator will be free for a few days. When we launch our indicators, it will be free for certain days to try out. Also, there will be a Discord community to join. There will be many traders like you, many retail traders. If you have not understand, don't worry. Soon we will post many videos about how to trade with these indicators. There are many strategies with that you can work with trend checker indicators. Generally, if you don't know market makers, how market maker moves, let me give you a short idea that, as I said before, whenever price goes up, it goes in cycles. Whenever price goes down, it goes in cycles. It will never go up, straight up like this, or straight down like this. So, oh, what have I done? Wait a minute. Now, if you can check any graph in Forex or even crypto, you will find this pattern. W and M. Now, generally traders call this a double bottom or a double top. These are W's and M's, peak formations. Those are terms used by market makers. Oh, I did it again. Man. So on 2 hour time frame Coinbase BTC USD, you can see the pattern with your naked eye. These are W, double bottom, level 1 rise, drop, level 2 rise, drop, M pattern, peak formation. This is a peak formation, drop, rise, drop. We are going up. That suggests that we are going up on 2 hour time frame, but it will reject back soon with 200 EMA and will go down again. So this is the pattern normally follows with any chart. You can find out. It's very clear. You need to understand about when W's and M's are printed out, because these moves are made by market maker moves. As you can see, yellow diamond. This suggests that the move was made to trap retail traders in a certain direction. That will be all for today. In next videos, we will see how market maker behaves and how psychology behind trading works. Generally, The website should be live within a week or two. We will announce when it does, so you guys can check it out. And in meantime, subscribe to the channel, give lots of love. If you like the video, drop a like, you know the drill. And peace out. I will see you in next video. Happy New Year, guys.